Hey, it's Mark at Stockie Chrysler. Here's the 2021 Ram 1500 Express Crew Cab Night Edition. This Ram has the sport hood. The Night Edition has that black grille and headlight bezels. Nice black wheels. Nice big seat in the back here, the crew cab. I think there's more room in the back than the front. In-floor storage. Heating and cooling vents for the rear. Dual exhaust, hitch receiver. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Steering wheel controls for the driver dashboard area there. Telephone, cruise control and gears. Great for towing. Well, there's the 2021 Ram 1500 Express Crew Cab Night Edition.